Hello and welcome to Joe from the Cell Phone Geek. Today I'm going to show you a unboxing of a phone car cup holder. So this is the box here. The phone car cup holder holds your cell phone, and the other end just drops into your cup holder. So then that way you don't have to run any screws or have double-sided tape on your dash or anything like that. So it's kind of quick and easy, especially if maybe you're in a rental car and you need to be able to hold your phone on your vacation, or if you're working and have a rental car. This might be the easiest way to go. It is adjustable, so the spot that goes into the cup holder adjusts so you can fit depending on the size of the cup holder, and it also has a flexible neck on it, so you can angle it towards you. Always it's pretty straightforward. It's 3 easy steps. We'll see. We'll take it out of the box here and put it together a little bit, and then here's the box. Here's the cup holder portion. So this is flexible. So it's got a little round ball on it, so you can use your different holders. So like if you have a Garmin GPS or a TomTom GPS with the holder, that will snap also onto this ball, so you can use it for that. Otherwise, this just drops in the cup holder. Pretty nice heavy duty plastic. It does have a textured bottom, so it doesn't move, and then the textured 2 sides, and then you just turn this and this expands for you. Then that size your cup holder, and here is the actual phone holder portion. Pretty nice. Got like a carbon fiber wrap on it. It's got the little ball holder on it here. You unscrew this a little bit. This should snap in, and then you just tighten this down once you get your position. So here you get the little nut on the back. You tighten, and then that will keep the phone holder here from moving. Then you can put the phone in it and it won't rotate on you, so it locks it in place. So as you loosen a little bit, and then you can swivel it, turn it where you need to. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got a push button here. See if that's what slides. Yep, that opens this up, wings up to lock it in. So you can drop your phone in, fix the width, you squeeze this button, and then you just slide this, fit it, and then it will squeeze your phone, and it's got the little bottom sitting on here. It does have a little foam bumpers both on the bottom and both sides, so that way it doesn't scratch your phone in your case, depending on if you have a case on your phone. Otherwise, there's a little quick guide here too that walks you through how to set it up, but what I just showed you is pretty straightforward. It's pretty self-explanatory just by looking at it that way. So yeah, that's about it. So give it a try. It's pretty heavy duty. Should hold like your iPhone even Plus. Always any Android and iPhones. Obviously not an iPad, but yeah, for most cell phones, smartphones should be able to hold. So thanks for watching. Check out the description down below. I'll have a link. It's an affiliate link. So if you do go and purchase one of these or something else, that'd be appreciated, because that will help support the channel so we can keep running and keep going and get you your content that you guys are looking for. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.